We're on the way from Thokla to Pangboche, and it snowed last night heavily, so the path is like this. It's slippery, it's dangerous, but we have to do what we have to do. So we are on the way to Pheriche, and this is how the way looks like. On the way to Sagarmatha base camp, we took the route up in the hills, and we stayed at Lobuche, I guess. But now we want to go through Pheriche because Pheriche is a plain land, so it's snowing and it's safer this way. So we took this route, and we were very lucky because if we did not reach Sagarmatha base camp yesterday, then today would have been a big challenge because of the snow. The way was itself very treacherous, and on top of that, the snow was there covering all the way. Then it would have been impossible and very much dangerous to go that way. So we were lucky. We went to Everest base camp yesterday when the weather was good, and now we're traveling back. The travel to the trek to the Sagarmatha base camp is almost over, and we have lost like 2000 meters of altitude from to yesterday, and we summited, can we say that? We reached Sagarmatha base camp on the 7th day, and today is the 8th day, and we're traveling back to Namche. So it was an awesome journey, and I'll never forget the days, the moments that I had in the base camp, the people I met, the Austrian two people who were very nice to me, and yeah, it was very interesting. So this is how the terrain looks. I'm walking. I should be a bit careful because there is nothing on my left, so I have to be a bit careful when vlogging while taking video. But yeah, the journey was amazing. I met a couple of interesting people. Two of them would be Robert, both of them, Robert and Frau, I don't remember her name, Anita something. It sounds like a Nepali name, but she's an Austrian. So we are flying at the altitude of the helicopter. Yeah, so they were from Austria, Salzburg. I've been to Salzburg 2 times, and I talked a little with them, and we hit it off good, and yeah, that was interesting. We also had anti-gainer test in base camp. गाह्रो छ, हिँड्न गाह्रो छ. 25 किलोमिटर हिँड्यो हिजो, आज पनि 25 हिँडिन्छ जस्तो छ. This is the limit. हिजो झन्डै मेरो बडीको लिमिट क्रस भएको थियो. We were like walking in dark with headlamps. It was adventurous but very risky. Very risky. But we made it. We walked for like 7-8 hours straight. It was like very painful, especially for me because I'm a newcomer in this. What? कति किलो हुन्छ त यो? यो 70-75 केजी छ. कडा. कति? भने यो पुरै एउटा. ए 5-6 वटा छ हैन? 11 वटा. 30 3. Boy. Fuck. Kast. बाटो चाहिँ बनाएकै हो कस्तो हुनेछ त घुम्ने त आजा शेरू शेरू आजा शेरू आजा ओए भल्चर 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 This is a good time to take a walk. I think धेरै घाम पनि लाग्छ छैन चिसो पनि छैन उसो लागिरहेछ धेरै तर एटमोस्फियर ठ्याक्कै सिउने हल्लाको ठ्याक्कै खरा कुरा थियो